Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are back with another crypto video, and it is the weekend, Friday, the day that everyone's looking forward to, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys really have a great, amazing weekend, and I just want to make a nice little video as an introduction, a showcase, an update about SELETTI. This thing apparently it uses AI for trading, and there's a few updates here, and there you go. From the past week and a half, I've been accumulating my 0.7% daily, and and right now it has $83.3. So we're gonna test the withdrawal button and how quick it happens live with you guys. And I'm gonna also review some of the updates, i.e. they have a new CEO on board, so that's crazy. So actual faces are starting to come behind this, but obviously at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, remember that this is DeFi, very risky. We don't know what could happen. Have you guys seen what happened with Quopi? I've never really jumped into Quopi, but apparently it's gone offline. People started saying that, withdrawals are not working, XYZ. But hey, guess what? This project, you can withdraw, and we're going to test it right now today. And once you withdraw, nothing happens. Your investment is still worth this investment, so you can withdraw every single day with no repercussions, no cooldowns, no nothing. So I'm going to click on the confirm withdraw. I'm going to quickly check as well how much I have in my BNB. Please don't update. I think I have only like $6. It's probably going to update now. Great, because it's for $4. Okay, good. Let's give it a few seconds. Let's just say that's 5 seconds. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, let's quickly restart that. But I can assure you guys, surely it's gonna work. This could be a make or break for this. Oh, 1 second. Am I actually on the wrong? Oh, it's a USDT. That is actually why. And I'm on the wrong flipping wallet, ladies and gentlemen. I do apologize that, okay? It's $80. There we go. So they did take a few dollars for the transaction. But without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, if you are new here, think about what is SELETTI. From the word, you can kind of already tell there's artificial intelligence here, apparently. I'm not really sure. Obviously, this is not open source, so you can't really double check. You just have to trust it. But again, I really want to emphasize using risk capital. So if you want to jump into this, link in the description if you want to. But please, keep this with risk capital. What we're looking at today, this is part of the new kind of project or investment that you can go into, and it's called PAM. We're going to cover what is PAM and how it's kind of bullish, and so far it's been averaging. This is apparently their test, what you call it, trade report, like where I'm assuming this is like a test run where before people can actually jump into it, and it seems like it's been averaging a 1.13% daily ROI, which is really good. You can see the trades and stuff and how I don't know how it made the trade or something. Oh, you can actually kind of see this. Interesting. Let's go here. Oh, so it actually does show what it bought and how it sold. Very interesting. This is good to see, actually, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, honestly, this is why this product is actually becoming kind of more and more attractive to me. Okay, and I just want to stress, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, this is risk capital, right? This is why crypto is such a great place. Remember to diversify your bags, because you never know. During bloody markets like the video that I showed you yesterday, which by the way I woke up to today, and it's a green market, lovely in the Pulsechain. You guys already know I'm so big on Pulsechain. I love it. And by the way, thank you to all my members, because I just uploaded a new members only video about what I'm holding that already did a nice couple X's, and it's super bullish. Anyways, I don't want to talk about it. I'm just giving an alert to you guys. I have a members only thing that's called DeFi Insiders, where you can be an insider about what I know and what my friends know that are valuable. Okay, so whichever you're gonna do that supports me, I'll be giving you guys back that value in intel. Simple as that, really, right? Stuff that you can hold for the bull run. You can make life-changing money. Not financial advice. It's just stuff that we're bullish at personally, and as simple as that, really. So anyways, going back to this SELETTI.AI, ladies and gentlemen, this is the new thing, and it's called PAM. But if you look at the portfolios, these are the different avenues that you can go and invest in. You can go into something called SELETTI Growth Fund, and it will make you 0.5 0.8% average per day, or the one that I'm in, 0.7 average per day, and there's one that does 0.9, there's one that does 1.25% average per day. But you can see the minimum accounts. This one requires $250 minimum, $50 minimum, 5,000, 25,000. And right now, active users, I've seen this growing, so that's really healthy. 63 active users, with the total value staked TVL is 60k, which is pretty good. And remember, honestly, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't really matter how many users. This is why I like projects kind of like this, even though I'm not 100% sure they're actually using AI in the back end. So please do your due diligence, ask your questions away, but keep that guard up. At the end of the day, risk capital, okay? You guys have seen what happened with Copy. So yeah, keep your guard up. This is DeFi. Please understand the space that we're in is unregulated, okay? At the end of the day, this team behind this, the devs and stuff, anonymous, okay? These people are being hired, great, putting their faces and stuff behind it, but just remember, the space that we're in, very risky. We're far away from normal trade finance, normal CeFi, centralized finance, whatever. This is DeFi, decentralized finance. So the trust is also decentralized. So keep that in mind, please. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. But I'm going to be documenting my updates with this. All right. I have $1,000 in the opportunistic fund, which is giving me 0.7% a day, and that it has been doing pretty well. You can see the historical rate as well, slowly growing in terms of TVL. But again, it doesn't really matter how many users are in, because at the end of the day, it's using AI. So it doesn't need new capital to be able to pay me, right? No, you know what I mean? Not Ponzonomics type of thing, right? So that's good. Going to the update, what is going to launch in this big timer right here in 13 days and etc. will be a new kind of account that you can invest in. And it's called the Quantitative Forex PAM. This is what you can see in the trade report. This is what it's going to use. It's basically using, Forex, and is looking at, BTC to USD, and that's how it's making their money. And then you can see the previous days, the tests, and it's been making, one day it made 2%, one day it made 0.9%, one day it made 1.4%, and it's averaging 1.13%, which is really good, actually. Really, really great. That's obviously above a 365% APR, which is really great. So yeah, obviously you can make it an APY yield if you keep reinvesting back into it, which you can. If you see right here, you can see the reinvest button. Okay, so that's something you can do as well. So yeah, that's great. So that technically would make it more than 1% because you're investing compound interest. Basically, that's how it works. So if we read this, Quantitative Forex PAM, rewards is variable, minimum investment is $500, maximum investment is unlimited, management fee is 15% of dividends. Strategy allocation, SELETTI.AI Forex trader. So it seems like this is their like proprietary bot algorithmic, system. Fund strategy. The Quantitative Forex PAM fund is a managed automatic forex trading system that is powered by SELETTI.AI. The SELETTI.AI continuously analyzes financial data, including historical price movements, market news, technical indicators, and more. It uses this analysis to make a data-driven decisions about future market trends and potential trading opportunities. Based on its analysis, the SELETTI.AI generates trading signals and strategies. These strategies include buy/sell executions, risk management parameters, and position sizing calculations. The good thing about these, right, if they are actually true, is that those types of things, ladies and gentlemen, can actually make you money while you sleep. Those type of things are operating 24/7, because you guys already know the crypto marketplace does never, there's not a closing and opening time. It's always awake. Money never sleeps, right? And if you're making money while you sleep, that's even double the greatness. But again, as I said, still look at this with caution and risk capital only, please, right? At the end of the day, it's crypto. And yeah, the way you invest in it, obviously, in 13 days, which is basically Christmas Day, I believe, you can actually go to portfolios, and it should be somewhere here, and you can click on it, and you can literally deposit right here, and then put in the amount of money you want. It's in USDT on the Binance Smart Chain Money. So you have to be connected to your Binance wallet, okay? And in the Binance network. Simple as that. I personally use MetaMask. Listen, and if you're new to crypto and you still don't know how to, use MetaMask and stuff like that, please let me know. I can make a video that explains all this, okay? It might be 30 minutes, but I will explain everything, and I will take you guys from a zero to a hero. So if you're one of those people, I can make a video or I can make a full long course to, again, get you to the zero to the hero, give you the crypto 101, DeFi 101, whatever you call it, and stuff like that. So I want to hear your thoughts. I want to hear if people actually need this, and I will deliver it for you guys. Okay. My whole point with this channel, ladies and gentlemen, is number one, yes, it's a documentation of my crypto journey. Okay. Number two, I want to make you guys a better investor that you already are, in terms of awareness, in terms of trading discipline, in terms of just knowledge about how the blockchain works, how figures work with, like, for example, Elliot's wave theory, with it has 3 trend kind of waves, and then it has 2 correction waves, stuff like that. Really useful and important how things with volume matters, right? Liquidity supplying, why it's such a great way to make money, make APR. I saw the video yesterday, watched the video yesterday that I made about Pulsechain. You have to go kind of halfway through the video, you'll see where I made it, and you're able to, all of a sudden, I showed you guys a graph with stable coin liquidity supplying, which is pretty safe in terms of impermanent loss, and you're now able to make 200 plus APR per year, and you can pull out at any time. This is nothing to do with Ponzonomics, nothing to do with risky, there's still risk about, what happens to the stable coins, because we still don't know, but this is how you make true yield. Nothing to do with Ponzonomics. You still own your liquidity as well. So there you go. Stuff like this, I will teach you guys as I go, because I believe in sharing the knowledge is equal to knowledge squared. So as I share the knowledge with you guys, I will become a better knowledge person overall. So I think it's a literal win-win for both of us. So yeah, I really hope you guys been enjoying these videos so far. I really loving the support. So I hope these videos are providing you valuetainment, because I want to be valuable and entertaining to you guys at the end of the day, but minus the hype, minus the I don't know, I saw one of the comments, minus the moon boy stuff, right? But you in the comments who uses the word moon boy, you need to relax. Okay, I'm still being yeah, I am opportunistic, but I'm realistic. Okay, I'm telling you guys, for example, PDAI goes to $1, it's a 2000x away. I'm not telling you guys to not sell your bag until it reaches $2. No, that's how you mess yourself up. No, create profit levels. If it does a 10x, sell 10%. If it does another 10x, sell another 10%. And then let your bag go. Play with house money. It's as simple as that. Use that strategy, ladies and gentlemen. Anyways, be a disciplined trader. That's what I want you guys to be. Look at graph data. History repeats itself. Look at sentiments, not fake hype. Anyone can go shill on Twitter and retweet stuff and spam comments and stuff like that. No. That's not positive. That's not bullishness. No. You know what I mean? Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, SELETTI.AI. Okay, could this be the next Quopi, or could this be what Quopi couldn't become? I don't know. It seems quite bullish with me, as you guys have seen so far. This should actually update. It's supposed to be 63 plus the $80 that I made so far. So I'm almost, slowly ROIing back to that $1,000. And yeah, you never know. I might actually, when the new PAM thing launches, which is pretty interesting, because you can actually, if I go up here, yeah, SELETTI.AI trading reports, where was it? I think it was somewhere where it mentioned that the PAM, this one, can make between 0.1%, obviously, like that's the minimum worst case scenario, all the way up to 4% per day. So you never know. Minimum investment $500. It's not bad, because obviously only serious people, or not serious people, like they don't want like smaller investments like $50 and stuff, wasting their energy of a bot spin up, right? Server time, etc., because the bot has to stay awake. So that does cost electricity, to be fair, right? To be fair, if this actually is happening in the operation, okay, very speculative, but I do want to say that the site does look good, and they are doing correct moves by hiring people. Apparently they have a CEO. So go watch it, go follow their Telegram, go join it. They have 465 members. Some people I know are following them, so this is not a random project. So Moonshot Max, shout out to him. And yeah, Telegram, go there, ask their questions to the moderators if you have any questions, or you also could throw it at me. Go read the rest of their white paper, do your own due diligence, okay? Don't just make your own opinion from just watching this video. Now it is up to you. What do you want to take with this information? I'm just putting the spotlight, I'm just documenting my personal journey with this project, and so far it has been good. So the link description to SELETTI.AI is in description, where you can join it. You know, you can start making 0.5% a day with a minimum investment of 50 or 0.7, 0.9 or 1.25%. And you can also click on stuff, scroll down, read all the information. You can see where do they allocate that money, how do they get that yield. It says it, pre-IPO stuff, late stage, early stage, Seletti Capital. Now, whatever that means really, but you can obviously read more in the funding strategy. It goes way in detail. So for example, with this one, that makes you 0.9% a day. Here it says the build for rent, 49% goes to there. Industrial, multifamily, bond asset-backed security, Seletti Capital, etc., etc., etc. Okay, go read it. Pretty in-depth information, and I actually really like the trade report. You know, it seems like a lot of work has been done to this, and the website looks really great. And I know this is not the end-all, be-all, you know what I mean, factor if this is a legit project or not, but I'm just saying, does give it extra brownie points. Okay, because I've seen so many crappy websites over here in the DeFi world, but hey, in terms of web development, I really like Bootstrap. Okay, so yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much. Okay, I don't have that much. I am a software engineer, but I don't have that much competency in terms of web design. But with Bootstrap, hey man, I can do anything you want, basically, right? But this is great. This is great because you have a lot of, it does look professional, and that's how they should keep it. SELETTI.AI is a great name, etc. I'm going to end the video there, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Give this video a like if you liked it. And yeah, join my Telegram. Follow me on Twitter, by the way. I want to hit 500 plus followers. That would be great. And yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and all the other videos I've been making. Hopefully it's being valuable to you guys, and yeah, appreciate every single one of you guys, especially if you reached towards the end of this video right now. You are a true legend, and yeah, I hope we all get to have our lives changed when the bull run comes, and all your investments were worth your time and patience. And I really hope we make it to the financial freedom where we don't look forward to Friday, because every single day of the week becomes a Friday to us. Okay, but until then, I'm going to carry on working my 9 to 5. I'm going to carry on like a normal life until this becomes a reality. All right, we will get there very soon, my friends, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.